Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be recustomizing all of my devices, so like my phone, my iPad, my computer, and my Apple Watch. So I'm going to start by recustomizing my iPad. So I'm going to recustomize the wallpaper, the lock screen, some of the apps. So let's jump into my computer. Okay, so I am here on my Canva. This is what I have so far. I kind of took inspiration from a thing that I saw on Etsy, or a wallpaper that I saw on Etsy that I really liked. So this was the inspiration. So we have a 5 Seconds of Summer safety pin logo here. And we have one of their song quotes. And then I really liked, it had like a notebook on it, and it had like your calendar and then your to-do list here. I thought that was really, really cool. So I just made my own because I didn't really want to pay for it, so I just made my own. So I'm going to download this, and we can jump on to my iPad. Okay, so I'm gonna go on to, let's see, my settings. I'm gonna go into wallpaper. The internet's down right now, so it's probably gonna be taking a while to load. Okay, so it's loaded. I'm gonna go into photos and find the one that I wanted to use. Yes, it works. Okay, I wasn't sure if it was going to fit or not. Okay, I'm first going to do a widget. So I'm gonna add a widget. I think I want to add a reminders. I'm gonna do the big one. And we're going to put that one right here for now. Okay. And then I also want to add a calendar. Wait, don't I already have it? Yeah. But I'm going to, I wanted to add this one. I'm going to do a little bit more of a customization, then I'll come right back. Okay, so I ran into a bit of an issue when I was setting up the iPad. So I'm going to actually take out these two things, but I am going to keep this here. And that there. I'm actually going to make this a bit bigger and longer, I think. I'm just put that there. I think that's good. So I'm going to download it now and then go back to the iPad. Okay, so now it's finally done. It took me a while and I really like how it turned out. So I'm just gonna kind of now show you what's on my iPad. So you first have my reminders widget. I just have my upcoming YouTube video ideas to remind myself when the video is going to be uploaded. Then we have my calendar, Zen flip clock. I have the Bible verse of the day from the Bible app widget, and it has just a little photo too. I have the date widget. I just have 3 apps that I use all the time: my YouTube, photos, and YouTube Studio. And then I have my favorites from my Notion little widget, so I just easily find them right here. On the next page is just my apps in 5 folders, so I'm gonna name it differently. So YouTube apps, I guess. And then, oh, this is the one. So this folder is everything that comes with the iPad in one folder. And then we have entertainment app. Okay, my camera died, so I had to charge my camera. But that was everything that I have on my iPad, and now we are finished customizing the iPad. Now let's move on to customizing the phone. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my photos. There's a couple of ones that I wanted to use, like this one. It's definitely like, there's an aesthetic. I love teal color. This iPhone case is from Wally Cases. This one is by Brooklyn and Bailey, and I absolutely love it. It is one of my favorite cases. So I was thinking this one This one was really cool. I love the flowers and the petal. I'm gonna see if it works with all my apps, but I might not use this one. I think there was one more. Oh, this one. This was like really cool. I loved that flower. I don't know. Let's first try this. Okay, so first, I don't know what this like thing is called. Maybe like a side notification bar. I don't know. But I just have my calendar and then the battery percentage for my phone and for my watch. So now let's move on to this page. This page I want to be my like YouTube stuff, I think. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna keep the content hub thing for my Notion. Sometimes it doesn't work like mine. Okay, here we go. Okay, we'll add that when the internet comes back. So I'm gonna I like to have that there. We're actually gonna keep Notion on a different page. And then we can add one more. Oh yeah, I wanted to add an iScreen one that I really liked. An iScreen widget that I really like. I wanted this one. No, it wasn't that one. I messed up. Okay, it was actually a small one, so I'm gonna go back. I'm going to edit, add widget, add one from iScreen, small, this CD player, or vinyl one. That was so cute. Oh, it actually doesn't play songs? What? Or does it? I don't know. Well, that's disappointing. I have one on my computer that can actually play your music. So that was a bust. So we have this one, what else do we need? We could just keep it with this, I guess. Okay, and then I'm going to, let's see, just add my other YouTube folders, or apps that I like to use for YouTube. Okay, so this first page, I guess, would be that like notification center, I guess, I don't know. And then the actual first page is my YouTube page. So I have like my YouTube studio, the YouTube app, things that I use when I am doing my YouTube videos, or when I'm planning my YouTube videos, when I'm filming, things like that. And then next, things like that. And then next is just this. I didn't want something too crazy, so I just put like my daily planning page, my upcoming YouTube videos, and then the date from a date widget from Widgetsmith, and then here I just have all my apps in different folders. I really like how my phone turned out. Now let's actually go into customizing my MacBook Air. I found something that I love for my computer, for my wallpaper on my laptop. I love this one. I think it's so pretty. This super pretty lily flower that looks amazing. That goes so well with the background. So I'm going to put that as my folder icon. So I'm going to open this one. I'm going to go to Get Info and then just drag and drop it on top of the file. And then now I have it as all three. I could have done different flowers, but I like the lily with this background. So the three folders that I have is my YouTube folder, a Logic Pro folder, because I've been into kind of writing my own songs. So I just have like my inspiration kind of into this folder. I don't have anything in it yet, but I will. And then in this one, I'm gonna have like makeup look inspirations in this folder. I can drag and drop these into this folder for now. Now let's work on the widgets. So one of my favorite widgets, Vinyl Pod. I love Vinyl Pod. It's really cool. So I keep that there. I honestly don't know what else I want to keep. Definitely want to have this one. Oh cool, I can do iScreen on this as well. Sweet. Okay, I definitely do want this one. Okay, I'm just going to get all the widgets on the screen and then we can kind of mess around with them and place them where I want. Okay, so I have got the ones that I want to use. So I'm going to use this one. Definitely using the vinyl one. Okay, let me try to fix that later. I'm going to keep my YouTube videos, upcoming YouTube videos widget. I'm gonna get a flip clock and the Bible verse of the day. I think I'm gonna put these right in the middle, like right here, and then have these three like that. And then this can be there. I think that'll look nice. Or I can, let's see, maybe scooting it over just a little bit will look better. Wow, I love the way it turned out. It looks so good. So I did also want to quickly show you what I changed on my Apple Watch. The reason why I'm not wearing it right now is because I actually was washing my makeup brushes the other day and water got underneath my watch, and I don't know if you can tell on camera or in this lighting, but I have a little rash from that, just right here, from when it got water underneath my watch. So I'm not wearing it for a while, just until the little rash goes away. But the only thing I really changed is the little display, kind of. I didn't like the wheel. I like this, or the grid. I like this list a lot better. It's easier to find the apps that I want to use. Yeah, I didn't change my face. I just like what I have. It's just a picture, and I think that's awesome. I totally forgot to do an outro for this video. So that was how I like to customize my all my devices. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!